Alright, this is Vacation Villages at Parkway. This is 11502. We're going to Suite B here, and the smell. The smell is something that'll grab your attention. But as we walk into our dining area. It's this little table right here with a couple of chairs. As you can see, the chairs look like they have burn marks in them. They've all bubbled up, so probably not any good there. But it does have this washing machine and dryer, a stackable unit that we are using. And yeah, then we move over here to the partial kitchen, which is right across the way. And it has a little closet. It has an iron up here and an ironing board down below. The lights aren't on in here, but we can see some solo cups. And then up here, one of my favorites, these are random plastic bags, and you can see the cabinetry is falling to pieces here. I haven't even looked down here. Oh boy, there's marks all over the bottom there. And yeah, here's some more utensils, just loose, and a couple, 2 forks, 2 spoons, 2 knives. That's what you get. And this is a, did you see this? In case you want to cook, there's two burners right there.
Oh,
plug-in burners. Yeah.
Or hot plates.
A little hot plate for you, and some pots and pans in case you want to use that. There's some writing here. It looks like 200 is under the spider web that's in the corner there. A little cobweb action. And here's some more stuff. This is the top of the fridge. Lots of space here. And the fridge that, well, looks like it's probably from the 90s, I would say. We'll move into the bathroom, which we did use once. This lovely green Formica countertop here. They did not provide shampoo. They did provide a cleaning bar, but you got a nice large mirror here. A little artwork over the toilet. And this is the bathtub. We did find hair in it last night when we went to use it. It's got this one light overhead here. And the tile is falling out, so that's sort of an issue there. And then one of Brittany's favorite parts is the marks. Can't really see it on camera, but there are marks and fingerprints all over this door, all the way down below the handle. You sort of see it there. So that's kind of grody. These are all not from us, by the way. We've been in this unit for maybe 6 hours. So as we move into the bedroom, it does have this tableside lamps, which do have plugs in them, USBs and regular. But unfortunately, on this furniture that has seen better days, a few dings and scratches there. No luggage cart here in the closet, but a safe down there, a large safe mounted at the floor. Another full-length mirror right here for your pleasure. And then once again, this is the dresser and the TV here. And this is a few dings and scratches, and this furniture's probably seen better days too. But as we move around, this is where we stayed last night. This is a queen bed. Interesting color. It's like a mustard yellow bed skirt here. And as we move over to my side, once again an end table. This one's got some major damage down here. It's just barely holding on. And one of my favorite things when I went to plug something in, there's definitely a used mask from somebody back there. So once again, cleanliness not too high on the scale. We're gonna move out here to the living room now. This is the living room dresser. It's got another TV on it, and once again, same pattern going on here. Rough. Another mustard yellow chair, and then this couch here that Brittany's sitting on. That somehow she's sitting on. These things do have stains on them. I know for sure that if you look here, the mustard yellow chair, lots of staining going on here. And that one looks decently clean, but I do not see, is it pull-out?
It is a pull-out.
Oh, it's a pull-out couch. So it does have some, yeah. So that is this room. The best thing maybe about it is the view. It looks out on the pool here. The pool looks nice. I would say. It's probably the nicest thing here. It does have a little balcony here. With the table and chairs. Sit back. And then we can look out over the pool. We're still in a rain delay here, but we wanted to give you a full look here. The surprise is that unfortunately, we being the people that we are, this was done for one night, and the washer and dryer machine, unfortunately, we planned on staying here all week. Another thing to note was that I was planning on working a few days from here this week, and the internet is so bad, and there is no cell service. There's barely any cell service, even though you see Brittany on her phone in the camera.
Yeah,
barely. There's barely any cell service, and the internet is less than 1 meg up and less than 5 meg down. So if that's a concern for you, then this room is a concern. If cleanliness is a concern for you, this room is probably a concern. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
Yeah, so
the pictures don't look like the website.
No. We got tricked, we got duped.
This
and
is definitely an outdated building.
For that matter, right here I'm standing in the corner and you're looking at it. This is a 1-bedroom.
Pretty tiny in comparison to some other timeshares we've had.
Correct. Not just Disney timeshares, like other the Holiday Inn timeshare down the road, the Wyndham timeshare down the road.
Yeah.
This is not up to those standards, and just a fair shot of warning there. So the surprise is we're going to
Pop.
We're moving to Pop Century because we're idiots.
We're going
we found
back to Disney.
We found a price on Pop that worked for the week, so now we're gonna head over there and hopefully have a better experience, albeit a smaller room, but it's a little cleaner.
It's a little cleaner.
I don't feel like we have super high standards, but
This is kind of
this one's a little rough.
dirty.
Yeah, so we're gonna go check into Pop and we'll do a room tour from there as well, and maybe do a little comparison shopping.
Yeah.
All right, let's hit the road, although we're keeping the unit for the week to do some laundry.
Yeah.
So we'll be back and forth between this unit and the other one.
Right.
All right, off we go.